Hey everyone, TG here. We're going to be trying to do some video type newsletters in the future, and I thought today would be a good day to do one of those. This is the website profitpilot.com if you guys are interested in learning anything more about me and my services. But today was an exceptionally good day, and what I want to show you is this. I just finished a webinar tonight. We're going to post a link about it. It's about this raging bull market that we have right now and how well I am succeeding, how well the Moxie traders following me are succeeding. And I have a class that I'm going to be teaching coming up on the 20th that I want to show you guys how I do what I do. So if this interests you, I want to show you here. Let's see, I don't know why that did what it did, but what I want to show you is today was a $1 million day and a $1 million day in two different counts. I made multiple millions of dollars today, but this was my first time making $1 million in a single day on a single account, and I did it in two accounts on the same day. The other really important thing to know is that I made really big percentages on all my accounts today. So, it doesn't matter what size your account is. This is the kind of stuff that I trade and how I do it. We're having a really great day. One of the biggest wins today was SNDL. We were also in numerous cannabis stocks, but SNDL, we've been in this thing for a while. We got into it, somewhere down here, and it's up 265% in just a handful of days. This thing has been doing great for us. We've also had some really, really good trades with OGI. We were taking profits on the way up because I didn't expect this thing to do what it did, and it's still going up in the overnight. 220% on this one. That's another good one. We're in ACB. This thing is starting to take off, and I'm sure it's up in the overnight. That thing is up 34%. So we've had a really good day. We're at some Bitcoin-related stocks. This market is a really, really good market. Things are on fire, and the Moxie subscribers are having a good time with it. I have a webinar telling you about the class that I'm doing, where I'm going to teach you how to do the kind of trading that I'm doing. And to cap it all off, because this year has been so good, we went out and bought a boat. We already have a boat, but we've had that boat for 20 years, and it was time for an upgrade. This is a Mastercraft X22, if anybody wants to look it up. That's me in the middle, that's my sister, then my dad, and then my sister's husband, so my brother-in-law on the left. And this thing is an absolute beauty. This thing is great. So we just actually yesterday, we went out in 41-degree weather up here in Washington. We put on the wetsuits, and we test drove this thing. We did some wake surfing and some wakeboarding to test it. And this thing is coming home to us in the next couple months once we get a lift for it. So I just wanted to show everybody, things happen, dreams come true. We're having a great time out there. And if you guys are interested in learning anything more about me, just come over here, profitpilot.com. There's going to be a link here also for the webinar. Come check it out. It's free. Come check me out. And if you guys are interested, we're just having a great time. So thank you, everyone. And we'll catch you at the next one.